Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today we are going to discuss about different kind of reasoning. So let's start. The 10th question is 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 16. Then question mark. Let's find the solution for it. What's the relation between the adjacent numbers? We have to find at first. Okay, take the first number 1 by 2. By adding, subtracting or multiplying or dividing this number, we have to get the number 3 by 4. So by subtracting these two numbers, what will be the answer? Let's check it out. The difference between these two numbers, or by adding this two number, we have to get, adding any two number in the numerator and denominator, we have to get 3 by 4. Let's add. If we add 2 here, we can get 3. Okay, if we add 2 here, we can get 4. Okay, it will be suitable for upcoming next numbers. We have to check it out that. Let's take this again, number 3 by 4. If we add 2, which gives 5. But here we add 2 means the denominator has not come. So if we add 4, we can get 8. Okay. Now take the third number 5 by 8. Third number 5 by 8. By adding 2, we get an numerator 7. By adding 8, we can get 16. Okay, we can get 7 by 16 here. So from that we can simply say the above one is 2, here 2, and the next one is 2. It doubles 4. 2 doubles 4, and then 2 triples 8. Then 7 plus 2 divided by 16. 16 plus 16 gives 9 by 32. Can you clear? Yeah, the 2 gets added. Plus 4. Here 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. Only the numerator is same for above all the numbers. If you add numerator 2 above all the numbers, yeah, it's 2 is same. But here, what's in the left, it get doubles. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 16. Okay, then the answer is 9 by 32. This is the answer. Then we are moving to 11th sum. 3, 20, 63, 144, 275, question mark. We have to find this question mark. What we have to do? Find the difference between the adjacent number. Okay, 20 minus 3, which leads to 17. 63 minus 20 gives 43. And 144 minus 63, which is 81. And 144, 275 difference is 1. 7 minus 4, 3, 1. 131. We have to find the difference here. There is no common difference between these numbers. These numbers are different ones. So we have to find the difference between these adjacent number. 43 minus 17. Adding 26. And the difference between this is 81 minus 43 is 38. On the 81, you can say just 50. On seeing that, we can say it's 50. So here we can see there is a common difference, is plus 12. Here also plus 12. By adding 26 plus 12 we get 38. By adding 38 plus 50, 38 plus 12 we get 50. So here also must add 12. 50 plus 12 which gives 62. Yes, 50 plus 12 which gives 62. What we have to do for the next 131 plus 62? We get 3, 9, 193. So by adding 275 plus 193 which gives 8, 6, 1, 468. Hence the answer is 468. Therefore the answer is 468. Can you clear about it? If you have any doubt, please free to ask me. Then we are moving to next sum. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is nothing but they give a number in a sequence like this: a, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d is called as arithmetic progression. For example, can take the sequence 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. We have to find the nth term. Means if we need to find, if they ask in question, find the nth term, which is 10th term. If they ask question 3, 6, 9, 12, up to 10th term you have to find. If they ask like this question, what we have to do? For this kind of question, there is a formula was a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Why we are saying here it's arithmetic progression is just addition of common numbers. See, plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It's just addition of common numbers. So we can say this one as arithmetic progression. So this is the formula for arithmetic progression. Don't forget it. A plus n minus 1 into d. So what is meant by a? A is the first term. A is the first term present in the given question. Here the first term is 3. Therefore a equal to 3. And n is the 10th term. We have to find the 10th term. No, that only n. So n is equal to 10. And the d. What is meant by d? D is the common difference between the numbers, adjacent numbers. What's the common difference? 3, 3, 3. All must be same. Then only it will be suitable. Otherwise we have to find any other alternate solution. Okay, now can substitute in this formula? Yes. What is a is 3, a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 3 plus n. N is, we found here the n is 10th. We already find it. Here 10 minus 1 and the common difference is 3. Therefore 3 plus 9 into 3. 3 plus 27. Answer is 30. This is a simple example. Can on seeing that we can see you can say the 10th term is 30 because it's simple a third table. But they give a large number like 20 or 100 like that. We can use this formula to get the answer in simple. Okay. Thank you for watching. For more videos and different kind of sum, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Happy day.